Barbecue pulled pork sandwiches. Use a slow cooker to prepare tender pulled pork with your favorite barbecue sauce. Serve it on buns with coleslaw and pickles. Certainly. Here's a recipe for delicious barbecue pulled pork sandwiches made in a slow cooker. Ingredients. For the pulled pork: 3–4 pounds boneless pork shoulder or pork butt, 1 large onion, thinly sliced, 4 cloves garlic, minced, 1 cup barbecue sauce plus extra for serving, 1/2 cup chicken or vegetable broth, 1 tablespoon brown sugar, 1 tablespoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon cumin, salt and freshly ground black pepper, to taste. For serving: hamburger or sandwich buns, coleslaw, pickles. Instructions. Prep the pork. Trim excess fat from the pork shoulder and season it with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Layer the ingredients in the slow cooker. Place the sliced onions in the bottom of the slow cooker. Add the seasoned pork on top of the onions. In a separate bowl, whisk together the minced garlic, barbecue sauce, chicken or vegetable broth, brown sugar, chili powder, paprika, and cumin. Pour the barbecue sauce mixture over the pork in the slow cooker. Cook the pulled pork. Cover the slow cooker and cook on low for about 8–10 hours or until the pork is tender and easily shreds with a fork. Shred the pork. Carefully remove the cooked pork from the slow cooker and place it in a large bowl. Shred the pork using 2 forks. Reduce the sauce. If desired, transfer the liquid from the slow cooker to a saucepan and simmer it on the stovetop until it thickens slightly. Assemble the sandwiches. Place a generous portion of the pulled pork on the bottom half of each hamburger or sandwich bun. Top with coleslaw and pickles for added flavor and crunch. Drizzle extra barbecue sauce on top if desired. 7. Serve. Place the top half of the bun on the pulled pork, creating a sandwich. Serve your barbecue pulled pork sandwiches while they're warm and enjoy this mouth-watering and satisfying meal. These barbecue pulled pork sandwiches are perfect for a casual and hearty dinner. The slow-cooked pork is tender and flavorful, and when combined with coleslaw and pickles, it creates a classic and tasty sandwich.